Hi students, welcome to my online class. Today I come before you with a new topic on grammar. The name of the topic is how to convert affirmative to negative without changing the meaning. Before going to the topic, let us just revise about the types of sentence. In types of sentence, we have studied that there are four types of sentences. One is assertive or declarative, next one is interrogative, third one is imperative, and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. In assertive or declarative sentence, there are two types. One is affirmative and other one is negative. What is an affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence means they are positive by nature. What? Positive by nature. What is meant by positive by nature? There won't be any presence of words such as no, not, never, nothing, none, nobody, etc. in that sentence. Okay? There won't be any negation in such a sentence. One example. Anil forget to do his homework. See, every day, most of the day you are telling that, sir, I forget to do my homework. Like this, Anil said that I forgot to do his homework. Anil forget to do his homework. This is a positive sentence. Why it is a positive sentence or affirmative sentence? There is no negation such as no, not, never, nothing, none, nobody, etc. in this sentence. So we call it a positive sentence. Then what is a negative sentence? Negative sentence means a sentence with the presence of negation or a sentence with the negation by nature. Negation means I told you that the presence of no, not, never, nothing, none, nobody, etc. If you see, if present in a sentence means that is called a negative sentence. Anil did not remember to do his homework. Here, not is present. The presence of not, not make this sentence a negative. But you just do a comparative study of these two sentences. One thing you can understand that. You just once again I read. Anil forgot to do his homework. Anil did not remember to do his homework. See, there is no meaning. There is no changes in the meaning of this both sentence. The both sentence contains the same meaning. Anil forget to do his homework and Anil did not remember to do his homework means meaning is changed, but these both sentences are in two different types. First one is in affirmative and second one is in negative. This is what we are going to learn today in this grammar class. How to change an affirmative sentence to negative or a negative sentence to affirmative without changing the meaning. So, we see that there are four methods to convert an affirmative to negative or a negative to affirmative. First one is using the opposite. Second one is using the degrees of comparison. Third one is double negative or not fail, such as not fail and not without. Or the fourth one is to change it to so that. Let me explain with the example one by one. First one, using the opposite words. Example, this mission is impossible. You see that this is impossible, you just noted down. This mission is impossible means it is an affirmative sentence because there is no presence of any negation in this sentence. Am I right? There is no not, there is no any of the nobody or none, anything is not present in this sentence, so we call it is an affirmative sentence. But you just to see, look at the answer of this one. Change it to negative without changing the meaning. This mission is not possible. See, you just note it down, not plus possible. See, impossible opposite is possible, and we use the not here before that because to make it an negative sentence. This is a negative sentence. With the presence of not, we identify it is a negative sentence, and also we notice the presence of this. Impossible, change it to possible. That is the first method, using the opposite words. The next one more example I am given here. Arun is tall boy. Is a tall boy. It's a positive sentence. Arun is not a short boy. See, opposite and presence of not. Okay, clear to all of you? Now let us discuss about the second method. Second method is using the degrees of comparison. Isn't it? We are already learned about the degrees of comparison. Isn't it? The changes of adjective to 3 degrees. Positive, comparative and superlative. We already know that. So if the affirmative sentence is in the positive degree, and that sentence if we want to change it to negative, we have to make not plus comparative. That sentence has to be changed to comparative degree, and we should use the negation not there. Example, Anil is as tall as Raju. Raju is not taller than Anil. See, taller. From this we can understand that the answer is in comparative degree, and I use the not plus comparative degree. Make an affirmative sentence to negative if the sentence is in positive degree. Okay, and the same opposite we have to remember. If the sentence is in comparative degree and if the sentence is a negative one, if we want to change it to affirmative, what we have to do? We have to convert that comparative degree to the positive degree, but there should not be the presence of not. Understand? Okay. Second one. If affirmative sentence is in the comparative degree, and if we want to change that one to a negative sentence, what we have to use? Not plus positive. Anil is wiser than Raju. Look at the example. Anil is wiser than Raju. Raju is not so wise as Anil. See, the presence of this not and this presence of this wise positive and a comparative wiser. Okay, when the comparative degree change to a sentence in the comparative degree, and if suppose that sentence is in the affirmative, if we want to change into positive, we have to do not plus positive. Did you understand? Okay, and if the sentence is in superlative degree, as well as if the sentence is in a affirmative sentence, we have to make not plus positive. Not plus positive in the comparative degree. If sentence is in the comparative degree, and if that sentence is an affirmative, they are also not plus positive. Okay. Anil is the tallest boy. With the presence of this tallest, the adjective, third form of the adjective. Okay, superlative form of the adjective. We identify, we understand that this is a sentence in superlative degree, and as there is no presence of any negation, we are sure that this sentence is an affirmative sentence. And if we want to change this sentence to negative without changing the meaning, what we have to do? We have to change that sentence into the positive degree. No other boy in the class is as tall as Raju. The presence of no make it a negative sentence. Did all of you understand? Yes. Now let us see. If there is 2 is an odd word. If there is the presence of 2 in a sentence, and if that sentence is in a affirmative, suppose if sentence is in is an affirmative sentence, and if we want to make that sentence to negative, instead of 2 we should use so that. We have to rewrite the sentence using so that. If the sentence is in affirmative, and if the adverb 2 is there, 2 is there, and if we want to change that affirmative to negative, then we have to replace 2 to so that. So we that he cannot walk. So this is a negative sentence. Did you understand? If a sentence is constructed using 2 and if that sentence, if we wanted to change from affirmative to negative, there we have to replace 2 to that of so that. Clear? Another example, he is too shy to talk. He is so shy that he will not talk. The last method is double negation. See, double negation means not fail, not without. I remember that incident. I did not fail to see, not fail to remember that incident. Instead of this, we can use the opposite also. Okay? I loved his pet. Sorry, Anil loved his pet. Anil was not, see, presence of not plus without love for his pet. Did all of you understand? Now, once again, I revise what we learned today. Today, we learned about the methods of changing from affirmative to negative. Isn't it? Affirmative and negative are the part of assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are of two types, affirmative and negative. There will be one question in the board question paper that change from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. This is a grammar part of our syllabus and as well as our textbook. Isn't it? The previous lesson already in the exercise this question is there. Change from negative to affirmative. Both are the same, opposite. Okay. And in that we know how to identify one affirmative sentence. If a sentence is having the presence of the words such as no, not, never, nothing, none, nobody, that is called an affirmative. Sorry, if there is no presence of a word such as, okay, that I told correct, isn't it? It's an affirmative. If there is a presence of the negation such as no, not, never, nothing, none, nobody, etc. in a sentence, that is known as the negative sentence. Understood? Okay. Then we are studied about the four methods of converting from affirmative to method to convert from affirmative to negative. Four methods are there. First one is using the opposite. Okay. Second one is using the degrees of comparison. Third one is using, is suppose the presence of 2 is there by 2 replacing the so that. The fourth method it is using the double negative, not fail, change it to double negative, not fail and not without. See, using the opposite, using the degrees of comparison, 2 to change it to so that, and last one it is the double negation. I think all of you understood this one. I sent you some questions, exercise questions in the WhatsApp group. You have to do that one. Okay, all of you have a nice day for all of you. Thank you.